The Ethiopian Educational Media Agency presents English for Grade 8. This is Program 12. Lesson topic, What Should We Do? Produced by Surafel Zode.
Hello, teacher. Hello, students.
Hi, friends.
Tola, where is Azib today?
Maybe she will come soon.
I think so.
What should we do? What should we be?
Listen, Tola. Somebody's coming.
I think it's Azif.
Come in. Hello, Azib.
Hello, Hailu. Hi, Tola.
Hi, Azif. Why are you late today?
I went shopping.
What did you buy?
Can you guess what I bought?
Yes, I can. But give me a clue.
Okay, it's something we write with.
It's something we write with?
Yes.
Is it a pen?
No.
So it is a pencil.
Right you are. It's a pencil. But I bought another thing also.
What is it?
It's something we read.
That's easy. It's a book.
Yeah, it's a book.
Azif, let's make it a game.
How?
Just a minute, Tola. Students, now Tola and Azib are going to play a game. Listen how they are playing. Listen.
Well, first we write the names of 3 objects.
You mean I write 3 objects and you write 3 objects?
That's right. And then we take turns in guessing the objects in our list.
That's interesting. Let's write the name of the objects now.
Okay.
Students, Tola and Azib are now writing the names of 3 objects. Then they are going to guess what objects are in their list. I think they have finished writing now.
Yes,
we
we
have finished.
Good. Students, now listen to Tola and Azib playing the game. Listen.
Now, Azib, you guess first.
Okay.
It is something we sit on.
It's something we sit on?
Yes.
Chair?
Yeah, it's a chair. Now another.
Go on.
It is something we sleep on.
Something we sleep on?
Yes.
Just a minute, Azib. Let students guess. Students, can you guess what the object is? Tell me the name of the object. It's something we sleep on. Something we sleep on. Azib?
Bed. It's a bed.
Yes, it's a bed. Now another. It is something we drive.
Students, what is it? Something we drive. Students, tell me again. What is something we drive?
A car.
Yes, it's a car.
Students, listen carefully to Tola and Azib. Then you'll play the game in your pairs. But now, listen.
Tola, it's my turn now.
Okay.
It's something we live in.
A house.
Yes, it's a house. Now another. It's something we drink.
Something we drink.
Yes.
Water.
No.
Tea.
No.
Milk.
Yes, it's milk. One more now. It's something only girls wear.
Something only girls wear.
Yes.
Skirt.
No.
Dress.
Yes, it's a dress.
Very good, Tola and Azib. Students, now play the game in your pairs. Think of an object and give clue to your partner so that your partner will guess what the object is. Teacher, please make your students think of an object and give clue to their partner using the expression, it's something which, so that their partner can guess the name of the object. Please go around and help them in taking turns. You have about 2 minutes. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, students.
What should we be?
What are you singing, Tola and Azeb?
A new song.
A new song. That's interesting. Can you sing it for us, please?
Of course we can.
Thank you. Students, now listen to Azeb and Tola singing. Listen.
What should we do? What should we be? What we shouldn't, what we shouldn't.
We should work hard, hard and hard. We shouldn't be rude and bad.
That's a nice song. Students, let's sing the song in groups. Group 1 students sing with Azeb, and Group 2 sing with Tola. I repeat, Group 1 sing with Azeb, and Group 2 with Tola. Teacher, please sing with both groups. Now sing, students. Sing.
What should we do? What should we be? What we shouldn't, what we shouldn't.
We should work hard, hard and hard. We shouldn't be rude and bad.
That's good, students. Let's sing the song again. But now, Group 2 sing with Azeb, and Group 1 with Tola. Now, sing.
What should we do? What should we be? What we shouldn't, what we shouldn't.
We should work hard, hard and hard. We shouldn't be rude and bad.
That's very good, everyone. Yes, we shouldn't be rude and bad.
But we should work hard.
Right.
Hailu, can we say we ought to work hard?
Yes. You know, should and ought to mean the same. They have the same meaning here. We use them when we give advice or when we say what we think is right. So, we should work hard and we ought to work hard mean the same.
I see.
Tola, what happens to you?
I have a severe headache.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, you should take medicine.
Okay.
And you ought to drink tea.
All right, I will take both tonight.
Tola, we have a test next week, haven't we?
Yes, we have. I think it's about should and ought to.
I think so.
So, we should practice now.
Are you all right now?
Yes, I am.
So let's practice with Hailu.
That's a good idea. Students, now listen to Azeb and Tola practicing should and ought to with me. Tola, what should we do when we are ill?
We should take medicine.
Right.
We ought to see a doctor.
That's correct. And what should we do when our clothes are dirty?
We should wash them.
That's right. When our teeth are not clean?
We ought to brush them.
Good. When we feel tired, Azeb?
We should take rest.
Tola, when we sneeze?
We ought to put our hand over our mouth.
Very good. When it's cold?
We should wear warm clothes.
Yes. Now, Tola, what should we use when we draw a picture?
We ought to use a pencil.
Very good. Students, now do the same with your teacher. Teacher, please give your students a situation and make them use should or ought to in giving advice. Listen to these examples first. Tola, when we have got a headache?
We should take an aspirin.
Good. Azeb, when our hands are dirty?
We ought to wash them.
That's right. Now, teacher, do in the same way with your students. You have about 1.5 minutes. Thank you, teacher. Students, now let's sing our song again. Group 1 students sing with Azeb, and Group 2 sing with Stola. Now, sing.
What should we do? What should we be? What we shouldn't, what we shouldn't.
We should work hard, hard and hard. We shouldn't be rude and bad.
That's good, students. Let's sing the song again. But now, Group 2 sing with Azeb, and Group 1 with Stola. Now, sing.
What should we do? What should we be? What we shouldn't, what we shouldn't.
We should work hard, hard and hard. We shouldn't be rude and bad.
Very good, students. That's what we have for you for today. We'll meet you next week again. Till then, goodbye everyone. Goodbye.
You've been listening to English for Grade 8, Program 12, written and produced by Surafil Zaude. Join us again next week in Program 13. Till then, goodbye everyone. Goodbye.